I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Pubmed and selecting Advanced. This puts you in control immediately. Enter a focus term with a field tag, for example, painttype to limit to title/abstract. This reduces noise. Then add an author or date field, because specificity saves time and yields relevant hits. Once done, use the Add to History button to create a query line. This preserves your steps and lets you combine lines precisely. Now refine using the history and Boolean operators. Combine line 1 and line 2 to require both concepts, or line 1 or line 2 to broaden. Use parentheses when chaining operators to control logic and quotes for exact phrases so you avoid partial matches. Make sure to apply filters like article type or publication date after testing your logic. This trims results while keeping the core query intact, which improves. Finish by exporting the selected citations using Send to Citation Manager or CSV. This moves your results into reference software. Save the search and set an email or RSS alert so new papers arrive automatically. This preserves your effort. If your results are overwhelming or nearly empty, troubleshoot. Simplify complex field tags, add synonyms with or remove restrictive filters. These changes recalibrate sensitivity versus specificity and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.